Knowing what material condenser coil pipes are made of is key to keeping your air conditioner running smooth and avoiding costly repairs. So, condenser coil pipes are usually made of copper because it's super good at carrying heat away from your AC system. Copper pipes help the refrigerant inside the coils change from gas to liquid by releasing heat, which cools your home. One cool thing about copper is it's tough but flexible enough for shaping into tight coils without breaking. Plus, copper naturally resists corrosion, so your AC can last longer without leaks or rust. If you ever notice your AC isn't cooling well, it could be because the copper coils got dirty or bent, so cleaning them gently with a soft brush or coil cleaner helps a lot. When you're dealing with repairs or replacements, always check if the new parts use genuine copper coils, since cheaper alternatives like aluminum don't work as well. Also, copper pipes need proper insulation to avoid energy loss and keep your system efficient. Taking care of these pipes with regular maintenance means your AC won't have to work overtime, saving you money on bills. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser coil pipes is ignoring routine cleaning, which leads to dirt buildup that blocks airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. The fix? Schedule regular cleanings at least twice a year or more if you live somewhere dusty. Another issue is using the wrong replacement parts, like aluminum coils instead of copper, which can cause leaks and poor performance. Always insist on quality copper parts when getting repairs. Lastly, people often skip insulating the pipes properly, which wastes energy and makes the AC work harder. Wrapping the pipes with good insulation material stops this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with AC systems. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with more clients and grow their business by showing off their skills and reliability.